Welcome to Maths class. In this video, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 1.5 in the chapter Number System. Question number 1. Write the following decimal numbers in the place value table. Subdivision 1. The given decimal number is 247.36. 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 7 ones and 3 tens equal to 3 by 10, 6 hundreds, 6 by 100. Subdivision 2. The given number is 132.105. In this number, 100, 3 tens, 2 ones, 1 tenth equal to 1 by 10, 0 hundred, 5 thousandth, 5 by 1000. Question number 2. Write each of the following as decimal number. Subdivision 1. 300 plus 5 plus 7 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 2 by 1000 equal to 305.792. Subdivision 2. 1000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2 plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 100 equal to 1432.67. Question number 3. Which is greater? Subdivision 1. The given numbers are 0.888 or 0.28. First, we comparing the whole number parts of the given numbers. The whole number parts of the parts is equal for both the numbers. And then comparing the digits in the tens place. We get 8 is less than 2. Therefore, 0.888 is greater than 0.28. Therefore, 0.888 is greater number. Subdivision 2. 23.914 or 23.915. First, we comparing the whole number part of the given numbers. The whole number part is equal in two given numbers. 23 equal to 23. And then comparing 10th place and 100th place. The 10th place and 100th place are also equal. And then comparing the 1000th place, we get 5 is greater than 4. 23.915 is greater than 23.914. So 23.915 is greater number. Question number 4. In a 25 meter swimming competition, the same time taken by 5 swimmers A, B, C, D and E are 15.7 seconds, 15.68 seconds, 15.6 seconds, 15.74 seconds and 15.67 seconds respectively. Identify the winner. The winner is one who took less time for swimming 25 meters. Now we comparing the time taken by A, B, C, D and E. The whole number part is equal for all the participants. 15 equal to 15 equal to 15 equal to 15 equal to 15. Then we comparing 15.68, 15.6 and 15.67. Comparing the digits in 10th place, we get 6 is less than 7. Comparing 15.68, 15.6, 15.67, the digits in 100th place, we get 15.6 is less than, 15.67 is less than 15.68. One who took 15.6 seconds in is the winner. That is C is the winner. Question number 5. Convert the following decimal numbers into fractions. 23.4 is the given number. 23.4 equal to 234 by 10. Now 234 and 10 are even numbers which are divided by 2. 234 is divided by 2 divided by 10 by 2 equal to 117 by 5. 117 by 5 is the fraction form of 23.4. Subdivision 2. 46.301 is the given number. 46.301 equal to 46,301 divided by 1000. It is the fraction form of 46.301. Question number 6. Express the following in kilometers using decimals. Subdivision 1. 256 meter. We have already known 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.001 kilometer. 256 meter equal to 256 by 1000 kilometer equal to 0.256 kilometer. So 256 meter is equal to 0.256 kilometer. Subdivision 2. 4567 meter. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.001 kilometer. So therefore 4567 meter equal to 4567 by 1000 kilometer is equal to 4.567 kilometer. Question number 7. There are 26 boys and 24 girls in a class. Express the fractions of boys and girls as decimal numbers. Number of boys in the class equal to 26 and girls equal to 24. Total number of students equal to 50. Fraction of boys equal to 26 by 50 equal to 26 into 2 divided by 50 into 2 equal to 52 by 100, which is equal to 0.52. Fraction of girls equal to 24 by 50 equal to 24 into 2 divided by 50 into 2 equal to 48 by 100 equal to 0.48. Students, I hope you have understood the sums given in exercise 1.5. Thank you.